Today, we're going to take a look at a cabin on board the MSC Seascape, and this is going to be a very comprehensive tour so you know exactly what you can expect. MSC is a relatively new ship to the American market at least, and so a lot of Americans are not really sure exactly what they can expect. So I'm going to do a full walkthrough from the time I open the door, and we're going to look at every single inch of this cabin so that you know, again, exactly what to expect. So when you first walk through the door, this is what you see. There's a sofa immediately to your left. It looks very nice, very standard, straight lines. The entire cabin, in my opinion, has a sort of contemporary view. It doesn't have a lot of colors, not a lot of splash. I personally like it, but some of you may not. This sofa bed right here converts into a bed. So this cabin can hold as many as 4 people. So if you're wondering where the other people are gonna go, that's where they go, on the sofa bed. This right here is your nightstand, kind of small, but it has a light on top of it. So I like that because if you are, wanting some privacy, it has a directional light so you can shine it directly on a book if you want to read it, and it won't disturb your other passengers, or the other guests inside the cabin, I should say. There is a thermostat here, which actually works. Sometimes it seems almost like they're for decoration because they don't actually, display the temperature. But the thermostat actually works. You can see some of the decor. It has, again, a very nice contemporary feel. This is your desk area right here, and it has right below the desk, it has several different types of seating that you can pull out and use throughout the cabin. Just so you know, these are my impressions when I first got in the cabin. So we haven't brought any luggage in here. We just walked through the door. This is just my first impressions. And as you can see, they still have the mat on top of the bed so you can put your luggage on. It's a nice bed, very comfortable. I enjoyed my time here. The room was very clean when we first got there. This is a chair. I wish they had put the bigger chair right here so that I can kind of have a bit more comfort when I sit down and enjoy maybe the morning sun. I'm just gonna pan the camera around so you can get an overview of what the rest of the room looks like. And there's a huge mirror right in front of the bed. So if you enjoy looking at yourself, you're gonna love this cabin. Again, there is another light on the other side, and the big plus with this cabin is what we're gonna see right now on the outside. I normally always just get the basic interior cabin, but when we got on board, they gave us an upgrade, which we didn't ask for, which was wonderful because we got not only a balcony cabin, but we also got a cabin that has a whirlpool, and it's absolutely fabulous. I did not use it. My wife did several times, and she absolutely enjoyed it. Not sure why the deck chairs are all spread out like this. I don't know if that's normal, but because of the whirlpool, there's not a lot of space on the deck for much anything else, but it gives you a great view of the other cabins, I should say the other exterior cabins, and also a great view of the port. You take a look at the side of the ship. So the view was spectacular in my opinion. So far, I've liked what I've seen. However, the best is yet to come. The biggest surprise is yet to come. Also, we have to see the bathroom. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the like button. This helps viewers just like you find my channel. For most cruisers, the thing they probably dislike the most, or it's maybe in their top 10 about cruising, is the size of the cabin. This is a fairly, in my opinion, spacious cabin. It's about 170 square feet, maybe as much as 180, give or take, but it's good use of space in my opinion. I so far loved the decor, felt that it was really nice. I felt like I had a lot of space, and I felt that it was designed very nicely. Let's go ahead and open up some drawers and show you what that looks like. There is a fridge inside the cabin. However, the fridge is empty. There's nothing inside it. There are a few drawers that you can pull out that has a hair dryer in this first top drawer, which is pretty typical that you would find. And then these drawers right here are kind of smaller for you to hold things that are maybe, a little bit smaller, but not necessarily for clothing. So far so good. Again, the best is yet to come. There's some more storage on the side, along with a trash can for you to put trash in. The floor carpet is a neutral color, and this is, again, the best part about the cabin. It's a walk-in closet. I don't believe that every balcony cabin has a walk-in closet, but this one did, and it looks pretty nice. A lot of space for you to put your things. Normally, when you go on a cruise, storage is a problem. However, on this cruise, it was not, largely because of this fantastic walk-in closet, and it was very convenient for us to be able to store our things and put things away and not have things that can't fit into small drawers that we usually have, and that's just a big bonus. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom, but before that, let's take a look at the MSC Seascape. In the next half a minute or so, you're going to see some highlights aboard the MSC Seascape. I have to be honest with you, MSC did not give me anything to make this video. I'm doing it simply because I love cruising. However, admittedly, MSC is not my favorite cruise line. In fact, it's my least favorite. However, I was shocked at what I saw and experienced aboard the MSC Seascape. At the very end of this video will be a link to my full time on board the MSC Seascape, and you can judge for yourself whether or not it's the right cruise for you. Admittedly, I was surprised. There were some things that I truly enjoyed, but the reality is MSC is not for everyone, and I feel that MSC Seascape is a different type of MSC ship. So if you've ever gone on MSC before and had a bad experience, maybe you want to check out the Seascape video at the end of this video. Continuing into the bathroom, you can see that it's absolutely beautiful. It has a tub inside, so very spacious bathroom. Again, this is a balcony cabin and a bit of an upscale, so if you get an interior cabin, I can almost guarantee you're not going to see a tub. However, I was very impressed with what I have seen so far in the bathroom. Generally speaking, for most ships, the design of the cabin is going to be a reflection of the larger ship design, and it's no different in MSC Seascape. You may notice a lot of silver, a lot of glass, or maybe reflective items. That's the ship's design, and it carries over into the cabin. Nice, contemporary, clean feels. Another thing I enjoyed was the fact that it had multiple USB ports. There's one right here at the side of your bed, and it has another 2 ports and plugs along the dresser. So that's one thing for me, especially with all my electronic gear and items, that I really appreciated. So far, so very good. I enjoyed the cabin experience. Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. And again, as always, thank you for watching.